Okay, quick video. It's a lot of mess here and my cat is in the way. But I just want to take a quick video of my closet that my husband built for me for my birthday. Unfortunately, my cat is in the video, but oh well. But this was a blank canvas in here, and he added nice shelves. And I really like the lights. It's so simple, but I appreciate it because I really needed organization here. There's my Michael Kors sneaker collection. Precious, can you move, please? You're in the way. Oh, gosh. My favorite Uggs here. Let me try to get on in here. It's a little messy. Like I said, it's still not finished. Those are my sparkly ones that I love so much. Those are the older ones. These are the newer ones. And I love my sneakers. Michael Kors sneakers. Those with the little fur on it. Those are my favorite ones. I have so much more stuff that needs to go in here. Hold it still while it gets focused. Those are my other Uggs back there. And like I said, it's messy. I'm not done yet, but I always like the simple things. Those are my older Michael Kors bags back there. My favorite Ugg sandals are back there. There's a lot more stuff back there and a lot more cleaning I have to do. My Coach sneakers there. And I have some Coach sneakers coming in for my birthday, so that's going to be pretty fun. Oh, here's some of my purses up here, and I still have a lot more purses that need to go up there. And my purses are usually in their duffel bags, but I have them out just for now. And like I said, it's so simple, you know. It looks like my cat is going to have more fun in this closet than me. I need more shelves in here, of course, but this is a start. It really is, because it was well needed. That's it. A lot of mess. Okay.